Hello, 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 and welcome to today's CHORDS tutorial on how to configure your portal. So the first thing you're going to do after you've signed in is go over and click on this configure button. And you're going to notice some buttons off the top. They're going to let you export configuration, import. You can also import and export your influx database. You can configure your JSON LD options and your influx tags. Now, those are if you had an old portal or you wanted to save this portal once you were done configuring it. Should something happen, you could use these to restart it exactly the way you had it set up before. So the first thing we're going to do is as you go down, there are some standard options here. You can rename it. So rename it, give yourself the name of your organization. This will appear on the tab, so if you need to keep track of your tab on your page, you can change that. You can have a new email or domain name. And then as we go down, you'll see this nice little section called Project Description. You actually are going to want to change this because it shows up in this About page and lets people read about what you're doing. So we can do that. And this is going to be in HTML. So if you've never seen HTML before, never written in HTML, it's super easy. Or you could just keep to the format of the previous project description. Next, you're going to go down. You'll see that we have this logo file. You can change to your logo, but if you don't, it'll have this nice little scanner icon up here that'll let people find your website really easy. You can set your max download points and tinker with some security options like restricting the viewing of data if you don't want that public. But whatever you do, do not touch the security key. That will mess with your program. As you continue down, you can edit your unit ontology, measure property to be quasi or UD units, and so forth. And then last but not least, you can have some contact information down here. It is recommended that you at least provide a name, email, and phone number so that people can get a hold of you if they have questions or other needs. Once that's all done, you can hit Save, and it'll see configuration saved. And you'll notice a couple things changed. Our title changed, our tab changed, and if you go to this About page, our affiliation and that HTML portion are displayed here. And that's how you configure your portal.